What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh my God. That is crazy. I was just like, let us start. We're going to be using 500 and we're going to be, of course, choosing 1 million as a period. Then we're going with the guarantee pairs with a 93% as a payout. You know all of that. And 92 and 91. Sorry. And 10 seconds going to be the period for the candles. Then we're going to go for 80x. Okay, then RSI, it's gonna be actually 4 indicator based strategies, so we're gonna have it heavy. No, I think it's gonna be nicely working because it is itself is kind of nicely working. Then it's gonna be calendar channel a little bit, and it's even too classy. I maybe a bit even bored starting in because there is no tricky business in it, but anything could happen, we know that. So fractal calendar channel 80x plus RSI, and we're gonna be going inside it. Okay, I think we're gonna get upward. Look at this one, RSI located almost at the bottom. We have some space, but anyway, 80x lines, they're kind of flat, but we may have it flat and distant, and we may have it as the pre-crossing situation. What about the Kelvin channel? The fractal cannot say much about that, but there are two options. Or it's going to be the same pattern that we had before with tiny rising, tiny, or that's going to be just the big rising. I'm not sure about this big one stuff, but some rising, that's definitely going to be expected. But look at the big lines, they're getting closer and they're getting almost crossing. I don't care about big or small rising, I just need that to be higher than the bottom, than the estimated level, and it's going to be just fine for me. That's it. Here we are. And raising it 900, just in the middle is the second bat. And how about this one? We can see the 80 lines getting closer and they almost crossed. RSI line is kinda in the middle. We don't love it. And Kelvin channel actually getting narrow, so that means that we're gonna be the changing. But what type of the changing are gonna be? Because we are actually kind of flat, I mean with the level, and we had it before, and rising and falling, it was kind of switching. But right there, that was my impression, because all of the fractals, and right there it's kind of useful, showed us that all of that were actually rising. That was the latest rising trends. What's going on? Oh my God, that is crazy. So my recommendation, if you see 80x being in a mess, if you see RSI being flat, if you see small fluctuations and crazy candles, ignore it, because I honestly, I was just like, okay, I didn't like this one. I truly didn't like it. But it's kind of the same. It's kind of the same disaster. 80x lines getting crossed, but it's been messy a while before. We go in with a narrow Kelvin channel. That means we have some changing. And the thing is, right here and right now, when RSI kind of flat, to see what's going to be the next trend. Okay, the trend is going to change dramatically, but where are we going? And right there, we're going to be choosing and checking. It's like, okay, that was the falling. And if we're going to be having the crossing and changing it, we're going to go upward. So, but you know that the time when you need to analyze it and make your own decision, it's kind of short. And that's the bad situation. 10 seconds candle, I think, was the mistake right there, because it's crazy. Edit lines are getting crossed. RSI showing us that we're going a little bit of an upward. We are kind of at the lower position. The candles are out of the Kelvin channel, so we need to go inside. And that was just like, okay, this is like that, the bottom, maybe we gotta rise. Maybe. Oh, let's skip it, I need some rest. Okay. Okay, we are rising, that's the positive. That's the positive outcome. Okay, keep going. So, I already told you why I thought it's gonna be like that, and I don't have anything else to say. That's the crazy one. So let's make it the last one. I think the problem is not about the strategy, because I kind of like that. It's supposed to be working one. But the market is a bit crazy. It's jumping with a long and then short candles, and it's just like switching. It's getting wild. And I think we're lucky that we have kind of foreign indicator based strategy with this type of indicators, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, it's kind of hard, but I'm actually not satisfied with the RSI, because why do we have it? What we can see from it? Nothing much. Maybe without it, it's going to be just quite the same. I can't say it's going to be better, but that will be quite the same. So, few seconds left. Oh no, 80x lines get crossed right now. Oh, that is crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's just the big fallen. Thanks for all these indicators for letting us know that in advance. Just disaster. This is not like the best one. This is not the video you need to start your trading from. Definitely not. I'm sorry to say that at the end of it if you watched that already, but this is for those who are so sure in your own knowledges and experience, and you want to feel it as a failure. This is it. Because if I'm being honest, I was pretty sure that I would have it all with the losers. I will cut this video, I will delete it, but I just got fine sometimes, because maybe God loves me. That's it. So guys, want to have more advices, want to have lots losers, you know where to find me. And with all these links, I am just right there helping for free. That's it.